Well, hello everyone and welcome back to a vlog on my YouTube channel. Hello everyone. So it's been a while since I picked up the camera, but I am back to vlogging again. I'm really excited. So as you can tell, I am dressed up and I am going to head out to a doctor's appointment with my dad. So it's just a simple checkup that he needs to do. So I have two face masks, some rubber gloves or whatever you call it, and then I have sanitizer, spray sanitizer, everything like that. So hopefully it is okay. I mean, we have no choice, right? So yeah, I didn't wear makeup today because I'm going to be wearing a face mask, and I also have my sunglasses anyway, so it covers like pretty much my whole face. So I'm just not gonna wear makeup. I did curl my hair, have a headband, and then I can show you my outfit because it's really cute and summery. I love summer fashion. It has been extremely hot here in LA, and I have to have the window open, and it is just so hot with everything right now. I just don't like the hotness. I lived in the Philippines for 10 years and that was really hot. I don't know why I can't like deal with it here in LA, but this room just gets really hot because there's no air conditioning. So I'm gonna stop babbling, gonna show you my summer outfit because I am not ready for fall yet. I missed out on summer fashion, so I'm clinging on to summer, and the weather is too, so it reads my vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit and then we can head off to West LA for my dad's doctor appointment and then see what else we can get up to. So I guess I'm gonna do my outfit in this mirror. I have a mirror back there, but my bed's not made and my room's a mess. We're just gonna do my OOTD in this mirror. So this top is H&M, the skirt is Boohoo, so that is a look at it. I tried steaming it, so that's what it looks like. And then we have some cute like bow flats from Walmart, this nude bag, and my sunglasses falling out of it. This is from the Philippines. It was from like the SM department store. I didn't really have a bag to match, so I just went nude, and then that sounded funny. I went with a nude bag. And then I have this headband. I got it on Amazon and it matches perfectly with the skirt. So yeah, I thought this was like a cute summer outfit since it's really hot. This is like what I'm comfortable in. This is a crop top, but my skirt is high-waisted, so you can't really see my stomach, which I like. And yeah, it's really flattering and really cute. So definitely love my outfit for the day. Of course, I will link it down below in the description if you want to check it out, and probably I'm gonna go shoot a blog post with this outfit on, so I'll link that as well whenever it's up. So I could have did this mirror right here so you can see the full effect. I tried to move my chair, but yeah, that is my full outfit. It's giving me really like Gossip Girl vibes from like the first season with the headband and like a school uniform kind of look. So yeah, I thought it was super cute. Really like it. So I really need to get going now. This is my finished look. I have two face wash on. I don't know if you can even hear me. So yeah, I am going to wear two because I want to be doubly sure. I forgot to mention my necklace is also from Amazon. It was a blogger recommendation and it's super cute and dainty. I love it. It's a heart with a J on it. My sunglasses are from Amazon, but you can get them on a lot of sites. Like I got these on Wish for $1, but Amazon has some. And yeah, so yeah, that is my look. I have to adjust this mask I got from my neighbor. She custom makes them, and yeah, I am ready to go. So I'm back home from the doctor's appointment, and me and my dad are gonna head out again. We're gonna go to Target and then maybe get McDonald's. And yeah, I'm gonna shoot this outfit. I brought my DSLR, so that is going to be fun. I haven't taken vlog pictures outside in like forever. I think February might have been the last time I took proper outfit pictures outside. So I'm going to put my mask back on, my sunglasses, and we can head out. After my trip to Target, I found this beautiful mural on my way back to my apartment, and It was perfect for my outfit pictures, so I had to stop, and I can't wait to see how the pictures turn out. There's a loud road beside me, so my dad took my pictures, and yeah, that is a little update. And can't believe I found this cute wall that matches my outfit perfectly. Hi everyone! So it's been honestly I think 5 or 6 days since you watched the last clip of me at the Blue Rose mural. So I was talking about how pretty it was and how it matched my outfit. If you want to check that out, I just published that blog post, so I will link it down below in the description if you want to see that. I'm really proud how it turned out, and I really love that outfit. So yeah, without further ado, I guess I can show you my Target haul. So this is when I initially went, and then a few days later I forgot something, and then I went back. So here is like the goodies that I got. I need to use some stuff, so I thought I would do a mini Target haul. I'm going to show you what's in this bag, and this is a few clothing items. So I'm going to do a separate Target haul with like a try on and stuff like that. So that is pretty much all clothes besides this like hello fall sign, I believe. This is only $3. I keep on getting interrupted because there's a saw outside my window. I thought like the construction was on the other side of my house, but I guess it's now moved over to the other apartments next door. So yeah, stop babbling, show you what I got. So I picked this extension up because we always need extensions in this house. It just does not have enough plugs, so I got this one. Obviously it's hot pink to match my room and stuff, so I saw this and I automatically had to get it because hot pink extension, that goes perfectly here in my room. So I got that. I guess I'll open that up with you later. Let's see what else we got in here. I picked up some shampoo. This is the shampoo that I've been using ever since I moved here to LA. It's the Kristen S, the One Signature shampoo. I only got the shampoo because I ran out of shampoo, but I still have like half a bottle of conditioner. I think that was $10. I forgot how much this was. I think it was like 30 something. So got those two. And then what else do we have in here? Picked up some Advil for my headaches. It's good to have an extra bottle. I've been buying the like 1-pack at the 99-cent store that has 3 tablets, but sometimes I run out, so I just bought a huge bottle just in case. And then we have some face masks. The black ones are my dad. So my battery died, but as I was saying, I got some face masks because you definitely need them. So, oh, they have sizes. Oops. So what is my size? I did not read this when I bought it. Oh, and it's a small medium. I'm hoping that fits. Of course, I got the hot pink because if there's a hot pink option, I always get it. So this is nice. Gonna try that. Hopefully that works. So yeah, I just picked those up. Those were $4. Don't even know how much that was, but that's like a mini Target haul. Then we have the outfits over here. I'm gonna go back grocery shopping in a few days at Target, so I might buy a few more things because I saw they were like super cute and I loved all the fall clothes. So can't wait for that and to get more like fall decorations. Even though I have enough, I'm totally gonna buy more. This is so cute. I can't wait to put this on my fireplace. So yeah, that is a little Target haul. And stay tuned for the clothing try-on haul that will be up pretty soon, hopefully. I don't know. So here we are. It has a really long cable. I think it's 6 foot. And it has one of these things, so I can plug in my ring lights into this because I've been using like the iPhone outlet, so I can plug it in directly into this now. So yay! The problem is this thing is a 3-pronger and my bedroom has only a 2, so I might have to put an extension thing on here. But yeah, it looks super nice. I don't know if you can tell, but it really matches my bed. It's like the same hot pink, so I really love that it matches now. So going to go try this out. So I managed to find a 3-prong plug in my room, so it plugged in there. It's nice and flat. So here is the extension. I haven't put the suitcases back in my linen closet yet, but here it is. It looks so nice. So there's a switch to turn it on, so Yay, it looks like it's working. Now I'm gonna plug my ring light into that. Here's one of my ring lights. So we're gonna plug it into this thing and see if it works. Oops, wrong way. Always get it wrong for some reason. Okay, let's turn on the switch. It works! Really handy and really nice. So yay, I'm so excited for it. I'm gonna turn it off for now. But yeah, I will link this below as well as all the rest of my Target purchases if you want to shop them. It is linked down below in my description. Hi everyone! So as you can see, I am going to head out to Trader Joe's and get some groceries. So I have my new mask, but I just went outside and I saw that I got a package delivered. So I thought I would show you. And unbox it. And yeah, let's just take this off for the time being and open the package that I just got. So I'm just going to show you the back side, but it is my first time getting a package from Revolve. It's my first time ordering from there, and honestly it's nothing special, but I thought let's just unbox it together. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say Revolve on there. Yay! Here's what's inside. Got that, and then I hope this is just an outer layer. This doesn't look like what I ordered, but let me open it up. Oh, thank goodness. It's just a cute case for it. Okay, I thought it was a different color than what I ordered. Got scared there for a second. I can't do this one-handed. Up. Ta-da! It's so pretty. And it's a silk material. Oh, that's nice. So of course I ordered a cute face mask. I've been ordering a few. I want them to match my outfit, so let's try it on and see how it looks. Here it is. Super cute. Oh, it matches my outfit too. Oh, it's so pretty. So I have a dress matching this, and I need to go now, but yeah, I'll that was my unboxing. I guess I'll see you again later. Bye. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. So this is going to be the last day I include in my weekly vlog. So yeah, I got all dressed up. I have a bow in my hair. I haven't worn a bow in so long. I've been wearing headbands. I missed it, so I put one on. Got dressed up. I'm literally dressed up, just minus the shoes. Did my makeup, I'm wearing my new necklace. I did my nails last night. I feel so good that I like pampered myself, and I feel like a regular person that I got dressed up for once because I haven't done it in so long. So yeah, I'm going to head out today. I need to pick up 2 packages at Westfield Century City. You'll see that in a fall haul coming up. I do love fall haul week. I'm not gonna do the whole week, but I call it that because I did one time when I first moved here to LA. So yeah, thought I would just update you on that. I just filmed the end sale haul, whatever you call it, a little late because the packages didn't arrive on time. You probably already saw that in that video. Please check it out because of course it's gonna come out first because I'm going to edit it and it's going to be up on Friday. I've gotten back to my YouTube schedule, so that is good. I took a mini break, but I'm back now. I am going to clean up a little bit, get some lunch. I'm just gonna have like a frozen grilled chicken sandwich and some potato chips. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that first, and then I'll show you my whole outfit because it's really cute. Even though you just saw it in the Nordstrom video, I'm going to show you again in this video. But yeah, I am going to go eat lunch and I'll catch you later. So I'm done eating lunch, so I thought I would share my OOTD because I am obsessed with it. It is super cute. I just did an Insta story about it and I think I said so cute so many times, but here is what it looks like. The bodysuit was only 15 bucks at Target, so I'm wearing an extra large in this skirt from Nordstrom. It is back in stock, but it isn't on sale anymore, but of course I'll link it for you. That's pretty much the outfit. As for the accessories, I told you I have a pink bow in my hair. I'll have to show you later. It has like pearls on it. It's so cute. So have that in my hair, and then some just stud earrings. They're actually crowns. I've worn them so many times. The only problem with this bodysuit is that it likes to show my bra. So this Tiffany's dupe necklace that I got in my what a random haul, so got that. It's so cute and dainty, so have that on. And then this pink bag from Red Dress. It's like a Chanel dupe. I thought it would go perfect with the outfit. And then these shoes, or sandals technically, so they're just my bow slides. I do love them. I haven't worn them out much, so hopefully they'll be good today. I usually wear the other ones from Walmart. That is my outfit. I am gonna go head off to Century City now, go get an Uber. I think my dad's coming with me, so that will be fun. And yeah, I guess I'll see you later. Maybe film a few clips at the mall. I don't know, but yeah, catch you later. Hi guys, so it's a few days later since I filmed that last clip. I said that was going to be the last day of the weekly vlog. Technically is. I just came on here to end it. So I hope you enjoyed this like mashup of weekly vlog. It wasn't like one straight weekly vlog. It was just a mixture of a lot of clips from over the month, I guess. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.